Hey, what's up, you guys? Tom is back with another LinScents video. And man, I am digging the way this channel is growing, man. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Without you guys, this hobby of mine, this wearing fragrances, that's all it is. But at least I can try to give you guys my input on certain fragrances. I can put you on to new fragrances, whatnot. But I'm just so glad you guys came here to watch. Again, I'm really appreciative of everything. I'm appreciative of all the kind words and all the support. But with that being said, let's get into the fragrance of the day. Now, the fragrance of the day came via trade. Nicholas, my man, thank you, bro. But man, this fragrance right here is very nice. That is this thing right here, this Clean for Men. Now, if you've seen some of my videos, I actually had Clean Fresh Laundry as one of my favorite bedtime fragrances. That fragrance right there is just so damn beautiful, and it's just a nice fragrance that puts you in the mood to start winding down with the day, okay? It starts making you get into that sleepy mode, okay? This fragrance is just the same, you guys. This stuff smells, man, I'm not gonna go over the notes, but this smells kind of like a bar soap slash fabric sheets slash little bit of fruits slash little bit of citrus slash some powder. All of that in this one fragrance right here. That's pretty much what it smells like, man. Man, this name is rightfully so on this bottle. Clean. You want to smell clean. You want to smell like you just did some laundry. You want to smell just so damn fresh. You want to smell uplifting. You want to smell good enough for everybody else around you to really, really enjoy your scent. You guys, this one is it for you, okay? Less than 30 bucks. This is a 2 ounce. Now I've been wearing this yesterday. I easily got 6 to 8 hours, okay? It was between 6 and 8. I was still getting these little whiffs. It was real faint, but I was still getting little whiffs of it, okay? So between 6 and 8 hours, you're gonna get about a good hour and a half of good projection, about arm's length worth. But the thing is, this is the only problem with this fragrance, okay? I said it smelled like fabric sheets, okay? Now, that's different than fabric softeners, okay? When you think of fabric softeners, like you can go to an aisle of fabric softeners, smell it straight from the little cap or whatever, open the cap up, smell it straight from the bottle, and you kind of feel good. But if you've ever just like went through the laundry aisle and just started smelling the fabric sheets, you smell a little bit too many of those, you can start getting a headache, okay? So that is the only problem with this, is that for that first like maybe 3 minutes tops, it is really potent, like that really strong fabric sheet. It's almost like putting it in your nose, okay? So you're gonna have to spray this and then get outdoors, okay? You don't want to spray this and going inside the house or anything like that. And if you do, go light with this fragrance, okay? You don't need many sprays with this one, okay? Now, if you're gonna be outdoors, go with like 4 sprays. But if you're gonna be indoors, you got a job, you got that little, that cubicle, you got that little small little space at your job, go 2 sprays. That's all you need, okay? Because if you're going to be enclosed with some people, that first couple minutes can be kind of potent for some people, okay? After that, it's just this beautiful fabric sheet soap, little bit of fruit, little bit of citrus. This stuff right here is good stuff right here. Man, again, less than 30 bucks. I'm telling you, you just want to smell just so damn fresh. You want to smell like you just stepped out of a fucking dryer, okay? This is the one, okay? I'm telling you guys, it's very nice, okay? Nice, simple scent. It's, it might not wow everybody, okay? It might not turn heads, okay? But I'm telling you, you just want to smell nice, fresh, clean, fresh laundry, stepped out the dryer, smell like someone smacked your ass with some dryer sheets. This is the one. I think it's got a little bit of raspberry in there too, which adds that little sweetness that you get from here, a little bit of freshness. I think it does have some kind of citrus in the opening as well, but again, this is just a nice, clean, fresh scent, you guys. I hope you guys get a chance to smell this. If you've smelled it already, let me know what you think of it. Let me know what other fragrances in the clean lineup. Now, a lot of these are pretty much, you know, unisex, or they lean towards the feminine side of things. This one probably leans, I'm gonna say this is about medium, okay? Maybe a touch towards the feminine side, but men, you can easily rock this one, especially if you just want to smell clean. You want to throw on some jeans and a nice little white tee and then just go out about your day. Boom, spray this on and you're all good to go, okay? With that being said, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, hit the likes, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Yeah!